disdain. A feeling that someone or something is not worthy of respect. She looked at the broken toy with disdain. His face showed disdain after tasting the spoiled food. Wary. Careful because you think something may be dangerous or risky. She was wary of the slippery floor. He stayed wary while crossing the busy road. Revamp. To improve or change something to make it better or more modern. We decided to revamp our old kitchen. The school revamped the playground. Yearn. To strongly want or long for something. I yearn to become a doctor. She yearned to visit Paris. Cordial. Warm, friendly, and polite. The neighbors gave us a cordial welcome. She had a cordial conversation with her teacher. Tenuous. Weak, uncertain, or not very strong. The old bridge looked tenuous. Their tenuous friendship ended quickly. Debunk. To prove that an idea or belief is false. Experts debunked the online story. Scientists debunked the false rumor. heed. To pay attention to or follow advice or a warning. She heeded her doctor's advice. Always heed your parents' guidance. Persuade. To make someone agree to do something by talking to them. She persuaded her friend to join the club. My parents persuaded me to study harder.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!